Madame Desbassayns wrote her last will on the 20th of June 1845, a few months before she died at home in Saint-Gilles on the 4th of February 1846.
I, the undersigned Marie-Anne Thérèse Ombline Gonod de Montbrun, widow of Monsieur Henri Paulin Panon Desbassayns, owner, living at Saint-Gilles, district of Saint-Paul, willing to use the faculty granted to me by the Civil Code, Article 1075, and made by this testament, and according to the following.
The document has been conservated at the Réunion Department archives. It establishes a precise list of her items of property which she leaves to her 9 children, 5 grandchildren, and 6 grand-grandchildren. The testament is interesting in that it describes among the items of property what makes the Saint-Gilles property, in particular 295 Malagasy and Kaffir slaves, but mostly Creole ones born in the Bourbon Island. This animation movie displays a partial oral reading of the testament, however fully enumerating the homes or native affiliation, functions and value estimated of the slaves attached to the property.